Across the world's oldest scripture, we find the names of the one true God. In the Torah, his name is Yahva, the eternal, unchanging creator of the universe. But did you know that in the Rig Veda, the oldest Hindu scripture, a divine name, Yahva, appears? Today, we will uncover how Yahva of the Rig Veda is in fact the same God as Yahweh of Israel. Let's start. Number 1, the name Yahva in the Rig Veda. The Rig Veda, composed in ancient Sanskrit, repeatedly uses the word Yahva. Yahva appears in hymns like RV 1.36, 5.16, 8.13, and 10.92. The word means mighty, eternal, ever-flowing, the great name. In the Nerokota, the ancient Sanskrit etymological text, Yahweh is described as the great name of the divine. Number 2, parallels between Yahweh. The Hebrew name Yahweh, which is Yud-K, Vav-K, reveals in the Torah, means I am who I am, the eternal, self-existent one. Exodus 3:14-15. Both names share striking phonetic similarities, Yahva to Yahweh. Both describe as eternal, powerful, and the source of life. In the Rig Veda, Yahva is tied to fire, light, and eternal movement. In the Torah, Yahweh is described as a God of light, fire, and creation. Number 3, one God crosses civilization. The Rig Veda emerges in ancient India, while the Torah arose in the Middle East. Yet both point to divine beings with the same name root, Yah. Could this be a remnant of the universal knowledge of God before the nations were scattered? The Torah itself says that the knowledge of God was once known to all humanity, but became corrupted into idolatry. Yahva in the Rig Veda may be preserved echoes to the original revelation. Number 4, why does this matter? Hinduism later turned to polytheism, attaching Yahweh's greatness to many lesser deities. The Torah, however, preserves the true revelation. Yahweh is not only amongst many, but the one eternal God of all the nations. The connections between Yahva and Yahweh shows that the God of Israel left traces of his name even in distant cultures. In conclusion, the name Yahva in the Rig Veda is not a coincidence. It reflects the same eternal God later fully revealed to Israel as Yahweh. The Torah prescribed his truth, while the Rig Veda prescribes only a fragment of his name. Across nations and languages, God has always been one, and his name endures forever.